The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice.
Blue Sky Trading Company. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend and are ready for a great week. Give me 1 second. I moved some stuff around and now I can't find it. There we go. There's my music. Okay. All right. How's everyone doing today? Market's moving up. Morning, Doc. Imad, how you doing? Jaden? Mr. G, how are you doing? So, we came down big Friday, which has been kind of, we've been big, but continued to fall and a bounce here. Let's see, looks like the high on ES 4440, low 4411, so about 29 points of range, early morning math. NQ 15198 was our high, our low 15078, so 120 points of range there. Kappa, about 100 ticks of range. Gold, about 9 points of range. Ultra Bond popping. About 3/4 of a point of range. Crude oil. Big spike there, came right back down. About 114 ticks of range. Natural gas has been rising. Bitcoin sitting just above 30,000. Tesla going all wonky over there. So we see a little bit of a pullback here. Nice move up here on NQ and ES. We're ready to rock and rumble. News this morning, as Mr. G says, pretty light, except for a minefield of Fed speakers. Let's see. Yeah. Remember, later this week, though, we have CPI and PPI. But this morning, we have Canadian building permits. I don't think that's going to do anything. But we have a Bank of England governor speaking at 10 a.m. At 11 a.m., U.S. Fed's bar. I'm sorry. Also at 10 a.m., Fed's bar speaking. And we have U.S. wholesale sales. At 11 o'clock, we have New York Fed inflation expectations. Two Fed speakers and a partridge in a pear tree. And then there's a Fed speaker at noon as well. Oh, God. Dealing with a little bit of a toothache this morning, so if I sound a little weird at any point, that's why. Yeah, although I mean this is a nice rise up here to start the morning. Has some chop here in the middle of the night. Excuse me 1 second. I'll tell you 1 minute I'm in. Okay, I'm back. That I'm at is the relative trend index, and that's what I've been talking about with you a little bit. That I said I've been testing out. Um, let's take a look at it while we're not doing anything here. You can see here, I'm looking for two things on this. This is like an RSI. Oh, we're still going up here. I'm looking for breaks below and above the 20 and 80 lines. So like here was the break back above the 20, and you can see how that started this whole trend up. And you can see here, right there is the break down below the 20 line, and that started this trend here. Yes, Ahmed. And I mean, it comes with some other settings on that I turned off, like on the style. Oh, I thought I turned something off. Maybe I didn't turn anything off. I swear I turned something off. Maybe not. It was okay. Maybe I did notice something else. Okay, but yeah. So that's what I'm using, and it's looking really, really good on 15-minute charts. You can see here on this 15-minute gold chart from Friday. Here's where it broke above and you can see that move up. So I've been playing with it. Hey Leonardo, how you doing? Excuse me. That I'm back, guys. Yep, ES up to 44.38 right now. See if it continues to rise. Everything's looking green. Green, 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 green. Oh, I sound like announcing a NASCAR race. But you can see here, this is where on the 5 minute here on NQ, it popped above the 80, or hit 80 exactly. And that's why I said you got around the same time I did, or I would have if I'd been conscious at that time. As we head up toward 15,200. Sometimes it just follows the 20 EMA, and like here you can see how it's just kind of following, but it's really good for when I'm looking for possible reversals as well. I really like it. Sure. One sec. I can show you right now. I don't think I changed anything on it. The 195, 20, 80, 20. I don't. I think those are the default settings. I don't think I changed anything. I just changed the color so the RTI was white because the default the colors are very similar to one another, so it was like confusing. And I made it a bigger, a wider line, so it was easier to see. Yes, I've been hauling around 44.38 style. Yeah, that was the only thing I changed in the style was the making the line the relative trend index line white, and I put the line to second in thickness. That's all I changed. Excuse me. So yeah, that's all I changed on there. And then my cat's deciding to join me. Morning, Eddie. He's had a long night of mouse hunting. Now he has his butt in my face. The 15, 190, 44.37 on ES. You're very welcome, my man. Later on, I'll show you some charts of things I've been charting out. So I spent the weekend doing is charting out that. If anything fun happens, let me know because the cat is blocking my screen. He's huge. 32-inch screen, and he blocks the whole thing. Hey, get away. Dude. Told you before, there's no such thing as catnip futures, so you need to go. Don't step on the keyboard, dude. Never heard of them before. It's a lot of valuation for a company I never heard of. They've been calling for a pullback now for like a year, haven't they? Oh, 15, 190. Kind of paused here. Ammonia is climate friendly? I do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. If you wouldn't mind, if you're enjoying the stream or expect to enjoy the stream, wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button so you like it. Helps the YouTube algorithm let other people know about the stream. It's a slight pause here in this up. Is it going to be a reversal here, or are we coming back down? Cat has left the desk. Nope, no chop. Dow is choppy heading up, but not NQ. I got up early, then they've been chopped. Yes, it is. ES up near its highs. NQ is as well. NQ high 198 half. We just hit 197 quarter. Russell's moving up as well. We're moving on up. Maybe found our top. We'll see. By the way, if there's anybody new here today, because I know there's a lot of new subscribers, mainly from the unofficial Bob Anderson Discord. Uh, Definitely feel free to join in on the chat. Say hi. Questions and comments are always welcome. We have a good group here. Happy to have you part of it. Nice to have you here, Doc. Bob's a good guy. I like watching his videos when I have time. Haven't ever talked to him one-on-one, but definitely like watching him trade. Bob Anderson, he has a fast rising YouTube channel. A couple of different trading strategies that he shows on there. Uses Apex. Here, hold on. I don't mind promoting him. Let me find his channel. There we go. The Futures Trading Journey of Robert Anderson. Here's the link. And he has a Discord as well. Well, and he doesn't actually run it. Someone set it up for him. That's why I call it the unofficial YouTube. Discord of Bob Anderson. I can imagine. Gee, it's been. I can't say it's been a bad summer here so far. They won it in the mid 80s most of this week, and we've had a few 90-degree days. But I can't say it's been horrible so far. But I feel it's going to nail us at some point. My commission video also got a shout out on a big, uh, almost 8,000 subscriber Apex Facebook group. So might see some people from there as well. Speaking of the commission videos, no, sorry. I have another one coming out today on the micros, rating the 12 major futures prop firms on their micro commissions for the indices. That'll be coming out about 15 minutes after the stream ends today. Pulling back to 44.35 on ES, 15.182. Ultra bond market just opened and it came down with a crash. Down 7 ticks on this candle. 15-minute candle. 5-minute candle. See, it's been coming down for the last 15 minutes. That works. Oh, and looky here, I'm mad. Boom. Oh, gold dropping too. Gold drop too. Yes, it do. Oh yeah, gold drop big time. New daily low. Hey Matt, how's it going? Pulling back to 15.181 on NQ. Ouch, Matt. Sorry to hear that. It'll get better. Big pullback here. 11 points, 12 points on this 5-minute candle. Morning, Robin. How was the weekend? Morning, Burl. How was your weekend? Play any gigs? See that support there, 44.32 on ES. And Q crossed over. Blue Sky has come out with a new type of account type, a static drawdown. I made up a little promo for it. I'm going to run that real quick. If I can find my software. There it is. Static drawdown. There's no consistency rule. There's no daily loss limit. There's no minimum trading days. Your static drawdown means it doesn't move. It's not intraday. It's not end of day. It's static. You're limited to 5 micros. Build up on that. Hit your profit target. Go to funded. There you'll start with 1 mini or 10 micros, however you prefer to trade. And you will continue to rise up as long as you show you're consistently trading well. They'll continue to increase your size up to 20 minis. Like I said, best static on the market. I think most other statics that are out there limit you to like 2 contracts. So get in on this. They say it's possibly limited to the amount of people. So jump on this now. $199, and the link is in the video description below. Something to be excited about. It's a great time to be a futures prop trader. Ah, man, you had to work the weekend, bro? Yeah, we're supposed to get some rain in this area later this week, G, so maybe that'll help the Mississippi. Yeah, it's definitely been drier this year than normal. Definitely been a weird weather year for our spring and summer for the Midwest. Holy crap. Nothing else. I mean, we see the pullback. Well, I mean, did I miss something? I don't see like any news prompting this. But Ultra Bond and gold more so, really big pullback. And Q down to 15,178. ES 44.34. Gold came all the way down to 1922. Keeps looking like it wants to get back down to that 1900 mark. It's flirted with it in the last week. Alright, good luck on that, G. I ate breakfast now without hurting my tooth. So that's a good sign for the day. And Q popping up. See if it's bouncing here. Hey, John, how's it going? Congratulations on your combined no-hitter. Well, not yours, but your team's. Nope, continuing to fall here. Sorry about your stop out there, G. Did you follow the draft, John? Did you like who your Tigers picked? We hit 197. We pulled back by like 25 points on NQ. ES down to its 20 here. Oh, gold's still going. Wow. And are you in this gold drop, John? I know you're a gold trader. Nice, nice, nice. So far, I haven't seen any of the setups I wanted so far. That said, I want to get things set up. Gotta get my charts set up where I have more charts open. I'm gonna start looking at other assets besides NQ. With NQ still being my main focus, but looking at some of these other things like taking advantage of this gold that's just falling. I just didn't have my charts ready for it, and it right there after that big drop. I mean, obviously it'd been nice to get in on the big drop, but even so, this would have been a nice quick based on this other indicator I'm using now. Yeah, John, I saw those a few people that didn't really like the pick. Ultra bond continuing to fall here as well. Yeah, they are. Phillies took a high score too, but they didn't have a pick until number 27. Yeah, I saw someone say that with this pick, that means the Tigers rebuild is really just starting, and it's going to be several years before they are really in contention again. Talking to myself because I muted. So we have about 55 minutes to the bell. Slow grind down here, slower than that rise up. My voice sounds a little weird today. I think I'm talking okay, but I'm dealing with a little bit of a toothache. So that's why. Yep. Tin snap. There's no such thing as a pitching prospect. They all get hurt now. Emergency hanging? What the heck is that? Crude oil coming down a bit as we head toward the energy markets opening at the top of the hour. Ultra bond just keeps making me move this yellow line. By the way, I'm mad. If you're still with me, do you see this? These purple lines indicate two different entries and how they would have worked. Gold still making me move the yellow line as well. The yellow line represents low day and high day.
Yeah, it's a typo in that night bot. I gotta go fix that. I try to do for trying to do it too quickly. Announces, not accounts. Blue Sky announces. There we go. Oh wow. No, I don't have sounds on. I probably should, but and we're down to the 20 EMA. So what goes up must come down. See if I can break through this 20. Stretching a bit. As we're down at 44.31 now in ES. 15.164 on NQ. Everything's gotten all sad. Gold dying. Ooh, gold's still dying. Look at that. Look at that. Ultravond. GERD. So we're watching, waiting for my opportunity. I'm late.
Kind of hanging here at 160. The That's not looking good, John. That's just still. This thing is a falling knife. All right. Thanks for that, Imad. Yeah, we're hanging in this area. No trades yet. Thought about taking this right here. I thought it might kind of hang, and that's what it's doing so far. You're still gonna go golfing. We all know that. So, John, your arm been feeling okay with the golfing? Like any residual pain or issues? A little bounce here, back up to 150, 160. 44.31 is where we're teetering on ES. Oh yeah, nice bounce there. I like that. And now we're coming down. So far, it was still only a 4-point candle. Ooh, wow. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? You still on vacation or are you done now? Hey, Crypticon, Blue Sky came out with a new account type that I think would be excellent for you. It's called Static Growth. It starts off in the eval where you can only trade 5 micros. It's a static drawdown, not end of day, not intraday, static. So it stays $800 drawdown. Start off with 5 micros. Once you pass on the funded account, you start with 1 micro or 10 minis. I'm sorry, one. Sorry, I said that backwards. 1 mini or 10 micros, and then as you show consistency, they keep giving you more. You can keep getting higher amounts of contracts to trade. We are about 10 minutes away from the top of the hour. But I think that'll be great for you. It would force you to not go with that whole too much size right away thing that you have struggle with. It's $199 crypt. But for a static drawdown and almost no other rules, there's no daily loss limit, no consistency rule, no minimum days traded, anything like that. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen unless they start trading and trading well. Oh, excuse me. Hey Ace, how you doing? The top step ends on Sunday, John. The 16th. You want to know about tipping, Mr. G? Are we talking about Mr. G? You mean at restaurants or anything in particular? By the way, this was in my entry right here, and I didn't take it. Yeah, Crypt, I really think that'll be a great thing for you. I really do. How was your weekend, Ace? Well, Mr. G wants to know your tipping habits. So, answer the poll. Uh, Mr. G, you made a mention about we were talking bad about him, kiddingly. Nice. Glad to hear that, Ace. Yes, it is. It's quite the battle.
think Crypticon knew. I think he was just joking back. Just different than choking back. ES down to 44.30. Hmm. Ace is either checking his electrical lines or he's talking about going short here. Yeah, I saw some pictures from back in my neck of the woods, and there's some serious rain. Yep, we're still bouncing on this area that IMAD talked about, 156. I made a little tent here. Mind there, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate it. That thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Yep, yep, that's our 1 hour chart there. Does seem like it wants to push back down, bounce off that EMA there. Right now we're just kind of sitting here. Yeah, I would agree. Just struggling here. Crude oil opens here in less than 2 minutes, and it's trying to break its 100. Ultra Bond got a little bit of a bounce. What did gold do? How's Mr. John's? It's kind of hanging there. Oh, blue candle there. Blue candle bounce. Right back up. About 30 minutes and 30 seconds away from the bell. There's the top of the hour. Crude trying to bounce as its market opens.
Wow, look at that. Big, beautiful bounce. Back up to 15,182, 83. Didn't see that one coming. Or else I would have taken that blue candle. I have three different accounts that I'm trading now, by the way. I'm trading an Undertrade TCP, I'm trading an Apex Static, and I'm trading a Blue Sky regular 50K. Yeah, well, that was a nice little green bounce, though. And I need more music. Uh, Silver also dumped majorly there. Silver and gold. Platinum, all the metals. The copper, I mean, copper wasn't as depressed. Looking a little brown out there, Ace. Ouch. So again, folks, if I sound a little weird today, I don't think I do, but if I do, it's because I'm dealing with a bit of a toothache. It's all right. Not as bad as it was yesterday. This point's just a little swollen and tender. Love me tender. Oh, Jerry Springer show? I haven't watched a Jerry Springer show in like 20 years. I have a couple of teeth that are kind of crooked, and I think I got a piece of chicken um, stuck between them on Saturday, and it irritated something. As long as it doesn't turn into an infection, I'll be okay. Yeah. I was supposed to get braces when I was a kid and never did. So I have a couple of teeth that are misaligned, and sometimes, especially chicken, I eat like a chicken leg quarter for lunch usually. It sometimes gets stuck between those misaligned teeth, and usually I just use a toothpick and get it out, but apparently something got irritated.
Nice. I mean, we got a little bit of a bounce on gold. Silver's bouncing. All the metals are bouncing. It's hard to bounce metals. And wow, look at the ultra bond bouncing. Crude oil, big bounce with its open. There are. But John, see, I have this issue. My house has this really steep step on the porch that, being one-legged, I can't get up, and I have no ramp. So I'm basically trapped in my house. I've been trapped in my house since I got out of the rehab uh, almost 3 years ago. If I leave the house, I'm not going to be able to get back in. And I don't have money to get a ramp. Yep, not a biggie. I hate going out anyway, but yeah. Ramp is a little bit of the expensive dealio. So, I good. And not in this area. Not for, like, just because it's a, it's a house. It's a, single house. So they don't make landlords install ramps and stuff. And he wouldn't have the money anyway. Well, 21 minutes till the bell. Looks like we're trying to come back down here. It's been a good quick scalp. I hesitated because of that wick there. I mean, eh, eh, we'll do better. This new indicator strategy and testing, I really think you're going to soon see Ox go wild, which is not as fun as girls going wild. But wow, with that bounce on copper, so I'm really seeing how everything's working based on what I'm looking for.
Those always work so well. Ace. Yeah, but John, I mean, I don't blame you for getting out. We're just sitting here, sitting on the dock of the bay, watching candles form away. I'm not really sitting on a dock of a bay, in case anyone wondered. And we came up, and it looks like we're trying to come back down now. So up, down, maybe tried one last time to come back up, failing. We'll see. Still above the 20 for now. Sitting here, 15,169, 44.32 on ES. Yeah, maybe. Trying to pop up again. I hate it when now we're starting to see some choppiness. Remember, later this week we have CPI and PPI Wednesday and Thursday. Those should be fun days for today. Today. We have Fed speakers. Fed speaker at 10. Wholesale sales month over month at 10. And then two Fed speakers at 11. Alright, good luck, Crypticon. Oh, okay. I misread that. I thought you said you were going along there. I misread that. Yes, it is. I meant, yes, it is. Big candle there, 4.5. Ultra bond, beautiful move up. Crude oil is all unsure of itself. Blue Sky Trading Company announces a new static drawdown account. They call it the Static Growth Account, and it might be the best static account of any of the 12 major futures prop firms. The evaluation, almost no rules. Hit the $2,000 profit target. Don't hit the $800 static drawdown. There's no consistency rule. There's no daily loss limit. There's no minimum trading days. Your static drawdown means it doesn't move. It's not intraday. It's not end of day. It's static. You're limited to 5 micros. Build up on that. Hit your profit target. Go to funded. There you'll start with 1 mini
or 10 micros, however you prefer to trade. And you will continue to rise up as long as you show you're consistently trading well. They'll continue to increase your size up to 20 minis. Like I said, best static on the market. I think most other statics that are out there limit you to like 2 contracts. So get on in on this. They say it's possibly limited to the amount of people. So jump on this now. $199, and the link is in the video description below. Something to be excited about. It's a great time to be a futures prop trader. Probably going to be staying flat here until the bell. We'll see. Since the bell's only now 12 and a half minutes away. Nice job, Ace. You and Gold just can't resist each other, John. Hey, look at this. I'm at on the 5. Ah, why did it? Hold on. Dip, 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 right there. That would have been my trigger candle using this, and could have got about a point and a half so far. So you can see right here, this is on the 5 minute. Right here would have been the trigger down. No, actually, it's not right. That would have been the trigger down. Oh, really? No, yeah. Down and up. Of course, you could have also gotten the trigger right here where it crossed. And boom. Any of those would have worked. Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'm just saying with what I do, you know. And we are bouncing here, so it looks like that guy from Vegas might be right, Crypticon. On NQ. 'I've been testing it for the last few days. Did a whole bunch of back testing on it this weekend. Or charting. Not really back testing, but I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. 23% of you don't tip. Wow.
I haven't really looked at it for overnight. Just because of time's limited. I mean, we can look at it from overnight. Yeah, this was in last night. This is right here would have been my entry for going downwards, and you can see it went downwards. And it popped back up about 3:30 Eastern, right there with my entry, and that led to that. Uh, this was a choppy overnight, and let's see, the entry would have been here, and that you can see that led to that move up there, and then the entry down would have been there, and would have chopped around a bit before that moved down. So I mean, it looks good for overnight as well, but I would need to do more testing than just a couple random looks. This moved down where it got back below the 80 here. This is one that would not have worked, would have faked me out. But not everything's going to work 100%. So we are trying to head back up. 15,179 ES sitting at 44.32. I think he's talking to the percentage of people that say they don't tip on the poll. Hi, RJ. A frozen ninja. This is why ninjas really shouldn't work in the Arctic. uh, Wait, why wouldn't I want to buy from places that pay their labor well? I mean, the places I shop at now, I shop at because I have to, based on prices. Once I get wealthy, I'll be much more choosy about where I shop. Yeah, I agree with you. See, I always tip at least 20%, if not more. That said, don't I haven't been to a restaurant since 2015, so it's been 8 years since I've been at a restaurant.
We're pulling back down here now as we head toward the bell. We're very close to that ring-a-ling-ding-a-ling. I haven't had Girl Scout cookies in years. Let's take a look. This was Friday. The opening bell saw it shoot up by 4 points. Thursday, not really. It depends on the day. It looks like. Yeah, man. Ah, yep. There's a big drop. ES 4429. Hey, Girl Scout cookies would be against my ketogenic diet or carnivorous diet, I guess. I'm more carnivore than keto. Wow. I hope that suit gets smacked. Morning, Sid. How was your weekend? How's the house building going? One minute till the bell. The rain. Ding, 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 ding. There's the bell. Popping up by 10 points. Today, not much of a reaction there in gold. I'm at Thunderbolts and lightning. Very, very frightening. Struggling to get above 15,180. ES up to 44.34. Wow, never mind. Ooh, wow. Big boom. Up 27 points, 30 points. New high day. Has beat the overnight highs up to 15,200. 203 now the high. ES up to 44.36.
15,195 is where we're sitting now. Opening minute was 33 and a quarter. 3/4. There it goes. Still rising. We're gonna rise up to 15,211. Now let's start looking at Friday's totals. You see, Friday our high was 15,359, so it's way ways to go before we get there. ES high. ES hasn't gotten back to its daily high yet. 44.40. It was the high of Asia. Stretching a bit. Pulls back down to 15,202. ES is going straight up though. New high day there now. 44.41 half. We're up 10 points on this candle. Dow up 112. NQ's pulling back though, down to 15,190. Yawning. Sorry about that. Yep, big pullback. Got into the bands. So the ES, it's pulled back some now as well. Now NQ's giving up over half of this 5-minute candle. Back down to 15,186. ES 44.40. Opening 5-minute candle closed up 15.75 on NQ. ES was 9.75. Let's check out what agriculture's doing. Rising up. Corn, big move up. Nice there on soybean oil as well. And NQ's trying to get back about 15,200. ES pulling back a tad, and Dow pulling back a bunch.
Ooh, I'm tired. Not sure why I feel so tired. Pulling back again, struggling. Lost our oomph. We're oomphless. Anything else doing anything fun? Gold kind of bounced off its 100 EMA there. Ultra Bond still trying to grind up. Crude oil still heading up. And then we're back up to 15,200 here on NQ. ES 4140, 44, 41.25. Easy for me to say. The tooth is causing me to have extra saliva in my mouth. So every now and then I like start drowning on my own saliva as I'm trying to talk. JC this morning. Wonder where he's at. See, we got red 5-minute candles on the Dow and on the ES. Still fighting green here on NQ. And still trying. Ace, did you grab any of that rise up, or you still looking for your 2 points? Good, 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 good. I figured you did. Ah, great job, base. Great job.
Pulling back. ES pushing up. They're green or blue. But NQ's pulling down. Again, struggling to get above that 15 to 10 area. ES back up to 41.50, but again, it's struggling to get above 44.42.
Wow, there's only 10 people here. I wonder what caused my viewership to drop off so bad. There used to be 30. I gotta start taking more trades or something. Yeah, but even last summer I was seeing 20 plus. Big move down. Wow, big move down here. 30, almost a 30-point candle, breaking the 20. Wow. 41-point candle now just completely died. It did. I mean, down toward that 100 EMA. ES, not as harsh at all. It's only down a point and a half on this candle. Oh, look at Tesla dying off. That's why NQ's falling so bad. Big moves down there on Tesla. Decided not to take that short there. And you can see it's bouncing up, bounced up by 10, so it was a good decision. Gold playing around its 100 EMA. Ultra Bond's still trying to rise up. Ooh, wow, look at crude go. Crude, up, up, up. Up, falling again.
So it tried to bounce up. It bounced up by 12 points, and now, wow, look at this whoosh down. So in about 8 minutes, we've gone from 211 all the way down to 144. ES at 44.36. So I should not have doubted the purple. Don't doubt the purple. But Dow, look at the Dow going. 34,078. It's still going up. Giving me mixed signals. What are you doing, Crypticon? Bad day, good day? What's going on, buddy? Oh, they deactivated you, RJ? There's a strong move down here, down to 144 again. But Dow's going the other way. Hey, Juan, how you doing? Okay, remember Apex does have a consistency rule in their PA accounts. Short on NQ. Watch it bounce here. It's bouncing. Oh, no, it's not bouncing. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on down for me. Not sure why I just did my Elvis impression. There we go. Nice. 10-point winner there. No fear. No fear. Still going. Should have held longer. Wow, look at that drop. I should have held longer, but that's okay. $200 winner on the blue sky, or 194 after the commission. I took that because it broke below the 100 and it broke the 80 on the RSI. I was a little hesitant, but darn, I could have got a lot more out of that. Now the strategy, honestly, I'm still not doing my strat, and if I had been, this would have been, like
Really? 179? 179, boom. And entry 147.75, boom, 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 boom. So, I don't know, that looks a little bit big target. Let's see if it actually would have get there. Looking for 2 to 1. Now look at that. I mean, it already would have went up 41, but we've been looking for a 62-point target, which actually I wouldn't even need a 62-point target on Blue Sky because my actually right there. This is all I would have needed, and I had to stop on Blue Sky for the day because of their 30% consistency rule. Well, let's just see how the strategy works. I think that would too much of a strategy, too much of a target there, but we'll see. I usually go for a 2 to 1 if I'm following the entry rules of my strategy. But in the last 10 minutes or so, we've dropped 100 points. ES from its high dropped only about 8. We see the bounce here. And the Dow's been heading up. Gold, another blue candle there. And this is on a 5-minute. You can see moving up. 15-minute. No, so another nice blue candle there. Ultra bond, Ultra bond pulling back. Now that could have been a fake out with that strat that I'm talking about. Let's see. No. Okay, across there. Never mind. Crude oil still going. So 1 for 1 on the day. I'm happy. And new candle here and still coming down. Wow, look at this. So this is up 50. Look at this. It might hit that target. 56. I gotta start taking the trades. I've been saying that for 2 years now. Ow, ow, ow. I got within 1 tick of what would have been my target. You see, look at the ES though, bouncing on its 20 EMA. Sorry, not 100, 20. Dow up to 34,110. ES sitting at 44.37. NQ broke 15,100. It's hanging right around there right now. Low of the overnight was 15,078. You can see they're going opposite directions. This is the 1 hour candle on ES. It's up 5.5. 1 hour candle on NQ is down 71. Hanging right on this even number, 15,100. ES still trying to figure out what it wants to do. Hello, Crypticon? What's it doing? That's We're bouncing here a little bit. Crypticon, you might need to reboot. Getting a blue candle here. This looks like a bounce candle. Back up to 15,122. ES back up to 44.40. Remember, we have a Fed speaker speaking now. I'm slobbering on myself. Strong green candle or blue candle, 15 points. ES, new high day, 44.43 half. Dow, been leading the way up. Hey, Nightbot, chill out. Let's not do everything back to back. So we're up 22 points on this green candle. Crude oil pulling back tight a little bit. There, look, the ultra bond continuing to go now. Had one big pullback there and then go back up to its high of overnight. Gold stumbling a bit. Copper pulling back a tad. Agriculture. Hmm. Soybean oil is heading up. Everything else seems to be dying. NQ almost back up to its 100 EMA here. Strong candle, 27 points. ES of 44, 42 and a quarter. Stretching, sorry, didn't mean to groan into the mic. And we're pulling back again here. So 1 for 1, looking for more. Looking for love in all the wrong places. I slept well this weekend. I don't know why I feel so tired. God. Mitochondrial dysfunction, I swear. And we're still trying to rise. How's everyone else doing out there so far? I know Crypt had a good day. I know Ace has had a good day. How's everyone else trading? You'll get it back, Sid. All right, Ace.
That's right. This is your only day here this week, Sid. I hope you have a great, fun week on your motorcycle trip. Please be careful. 280 is a good number, John. Nice rise back up. So NQ's gained back everything it lost. Well, not everything, but up to the 20 EMA. I don't know the way things have been going for RJ with computers lately. He might just become Amish. Are you trading your Blue Sky funded crypt? So this would have got within a tick of my target and then would not have made it, but I would have gotten out before all this happened. I've never had a Bud Light. I've never had a Budweiser. I don't like beer. Right. Yeah, I know. I know, Crip, but I was asking if you're going to be trading your Blue Sky funded. Nothing can stop the Dow today up to 34,151. It's a good question, G. Nice, John. Ouch, Script. Well, definitely, I definitely think you should consider that new account from Blue Sky. I think it'd be really good for you. Yeah, that's what it seemed like. Gee, and it seems like that's what it's been doing every day, either dumping in the morning and then pumping in the afternoon, or vice versa. Little pullback here, John. You get out yet? Nope. Just as usual, use my link, please. I don't think there's any discount on it though. They just released it last night. Every time I try to call a bear, they never answer the line. That break even is better than a loss. Seems like it's struggling back here around 15,170. ES pulling back a little bit. ES got up to a new high of 44.4675. Pull back to 44.44. About 45 minutes to go. I don't think the Fed speaker is saying anything important. Let me see if there's any headlines. Now he was just talking about the banking industry, so nothing major. And up, back up, back up, back up. Back up to 176. Yep, remember, it's a great time to be a prop trader. Apex has their summer sale going 80% off. Between it changes at Top Step, the new account at Blue Sky, the 80% off at Apex, it is an absolute wonderful time to be a futures prop trader. think we might come back down here, but we'll see. Kind of think we're gonna down, up, and then back down. And there's a possible move down. All right. I found Crypticon. Still staying above the 20 for now. Gotta love it. Two time frames have two different signals. One long, one short. So what didn't get activated, RJ? What exactly expired or whatever happened? Ah, okay. Yeah, you would think so. See ya, Crypt. Well, I took a long on my earn to trade account, but I meant to do it on an NQ, and instead I took it on one single MNQ. You can see it there. I'll just let the one single MNQ play out. Really wish this had been an actual NQ. Yes, at the 44.45. NQ trying to push up to 15,200. Looks like we're trying to come back down here. 15,190. Maybe not. Trying up again. 192. Yep. Jumping out there. So that was a 7-point trade. $14. $12 after commissions. Woohoo! Would have been 140 bucks if I had done it right. We'll see if it continues up. I jumped out seeing red. Guess every dollar counts, huh? So I'm 2 for 2 on today. Ouch. Yep, I should have stayed in, but it's just a few bucks. That's why I hate trading micros because I think it's just a few bucks. But my idea was right. Let's see what everything else is doing. Gold pulling back. Ultra bond made a new daily high. Crude oil pulling back. Yep, nearing, as G said, nearing 10:30. Sometimes we start seeing a reversal at that point in time as the people in Europe start closing up shop. Team 192, ES 4444. In the year 4444. Sorry. Watching. See Dow finally showing a bit of a crack here. Pulled back by about 60. Remember, at the top of the hour, you had New York Fed inflation expectations, as well as two Fed speakers. So inflation reports coming up this week, CPI, PPI. Be interesting to see what those numbers are. Most people expect that the FOMC at the end of the month is going to raise interest rates again by another 25 basis points. Candle is 22 points down. ES, that candle is 4.5 down. ES down to 44.41.5. $10.30. Let's see where we go from here. Dow's a very nice move down. Oh, God, my entire face hurts. Excuse me while I take another mega dose of ibuprofen. That's done. Gonna see if this breaks the 20, and if it does, I might take a short here. Came up, you see we made a lower high. Lower high from here, 211 or 214, whichever you want to say. Here we got the 204. Trying to break below that 20. Minute 45 to go on this 5-minute candle. There's the break. Down to 155, down, going quickly down toward the 100. So broke the 20 and then quickly burst down. There's an 18 and a half, 21 and a half weight candle. ES down 3 and a quarter, 37 and 3 and a half, down to 44.37. Taking the short. Took the short off the 1 minute. May have been a mistake. Yeah, looks like I'm bouncing here. Should have stuck with my 5-minute plan. But I like the look of the 1 minute, so I took it. Let's see if it comes back down for me. Trying. Bottom right hand corner. So I ended up with the same exact entry point as if I had waited. Let's see. So the 5-minute short there is not working for me. Move the stop. Gonna move the stop big and bet on this a little bit. It's hard to see down there. I know. For the break. Giving this down to that 100 EMA. I'll be happy. Ooh, there we go. Wow. Did it not fill me? Wow. Holy Hannah. Wait, only 153? What just happened? Somehow I only got 4 points off of that. I don't know how. That should have been a $200 trade, and it wasn't. I mean, I'm not going to complain about it, but it was still a profitable trade, but it didn't fill me. And then when I hit, I was over 300 in profit when I told it to close out. I don't know what the heck just happened there. So we're up 278.84 on the day. So that should have been much more. I'm not happy there. Wow. I remember Excite back then. Yeah, it was Yahoo versus Excite back in those days. In this case, on the 5-minute chart, it was this. There's 2 triggers on this candle right here: the break of the 20 and the break of the 80 on the on this RTI. That was my short there. Here, I just kind of liked the way it looked. It was no. I liked the fact that it broke the 100 EMA there, but honestly, it was bad for me to follow that right there. I should have followed my 5-minute chart. Oh yeah. And the thing was, Excite was, in my opinion, was better than Yahoo, but Yahoo figured out how to beat him out. There was a bunch back then, Alta Vista and a couple others I don't remember anymore. Ask Jeeves. You see, we're bouncing here. I still don't understand why I got that fill that I got. No, I was using the same one, G. Same. uh, It was, I've not usually used the 1 minute, but I saw something in my eye there. And, I mean, it worked out. Uh, RJ, it says they were rejected for the million. They offered to sell it to Excite 4 million, and Excite turned them down. Wow, Excite is still around. Who would have thought? Look at this, Excite.com. They are still around. Not much of anything, but there's still a web page there. Yeah, I remember. I remember reading that. That is the biggest, maybe the biggest business blunder in history. Interesting bounce here on NQ, back up to 15,169. Yeah, BlackBerry. That was another big name in it at one time. They're still around though, aren't they? Weren't they a meme stock a couple uh, years ago? Yeah, BlackBerry Limited. Their stock's worth $4.80. Look at that. Look at BlackBerry's stock. It's once $144, and now it's $4. Yep, coming back down. Another purple candle here. ES also coming down 44.34. Haven't seen Andrew Gibson the last few days. I call out the ES price because I know he listens. Down 24 on this candle. Let's see how it finishes. Now it's 27. Oh, really? Popping back up here. 5 points before this candle closes. We're short. I might give back all my profit here if I'm wrong. So far I'm looking wrong. Eh. And you know, I enjoyed MySpace more than I ever enjoyed Facebook, honestly. Yep, looks like I'm wrong and I'm gonna pay for it. I used to love Twitter, but yep, I bet on this coming down and I was wrong. And I'm just gonna wipe out my profit for the day and wipe out a big portion of my balance on this account. Maybe. I mean, it hasn't gotten there yet. If I had taken that purple candle or that purple candle, we would have been good. But I took this one, and this one decided not to be good. At least thus far. 2 minutes to go on this 5 minute candle. 12 minutes to go on the stream. Oh, there we go. Coming back down for me, maybe. Wow. But should they feel like idiots? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They give up on trades too easy. Eh, mm, okay, maybe okay, it's coming right back up. Yeah, never mind. And it's just torturing me here, going up and down like that. Purple candle on the one. Ah, yes, it is. All right, we do have a little bit of news coming up at the top of the hour, which is New York Fed inflation expectations, and then there's two Fed speakers as well. New 5 minute candle. Let's see if it comes back down. Sitting between the 20 and the 100. Let's see. Gold coming back down. Ultra bond. Ooh, big fall. Crude oil. New high a day. Above 74. And Q about ready to ruin my day. Oh, I took the wrong candle. I mean, I didn't. I mean, I took the candle in my plan, but why not, RJ? Why can't they reactivate you? Sorry, man. Hope you get it fixed. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can I get back below that 100 EMA? Kind of pounding on it. Wow. I thought for sure I was going to get stopped out. And now we're back to almost break even. Now we're back in the green. Nope. It bounces off my entry point. I hate that. Great job, John. Well, dang it. I guess maybe I should have took it when it got me back to break even.
Yeah, oil is chugging up. Chugging up, chugging up. And here it comes back down again. Yeah, MySpace was my first social media, I guess. Well, yeah, I think so. I got Twitter and Facebook around the same time. In 2009, I think. New 5 minute candle. Dang it, bouncing. Just choppy here. Gets down to my entry point and then bounces. Staying under the 20. I've considered moving my stop down some, but that would have stopped me out a couple of times now for a worse loss than I'm at now. Never used a fake age. I believe I was. Dang, I don't know. I think I might have used my real name. Either that or something with ox in it. I wasn't using MightyOx yet then. Dang, really? I was in the green for a second there and back up. Either way, we're going to get out of this trade before the top of the hour because that New York inflation, Fed expectations, whatever, try to spit out there could potentially move the market. Let's move our target there. Bottom of that wick of that candle. Oh yeah, VCR. I remember when VCRs first came out and movies were like $80, $90 each. Well, dang it. I should have taken the opportunity to get out when I could, I guess. Minute 45 to the top of the hour. Sellers not coming in for me here.
Oh, okay. Coming back down a little bit. $30. I'm gonna get out. Trying to give it a little bit of time. I'm out there. Ending the day up $78. Not what I wanted, but hey, it's still a green day. Let's see what this news does. Let's see if I should have stayed in. It's not really doing anything either. Uh, so the news isn't doing anything. I could have got a little bit of a better price, but I wasn't going to chance it. So that's what we're going to wrap up today. Green by 78. Technically 3 for 3 on trades. 1 on the earn a trade. 2 on the blue sky. No, 3 on the blue sky. So 4 for 4 on trades today. Just not much. No, I lost that trade. Duh. 2 out of 3. Whatever I am. It was close enough. It's a green day. And we will be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.